Pullback we were looking for. Nasdaq. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. 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 You guys already hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do, hit that, blow it up. Today, buddy. Not today. Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. Trap. Nasdaq. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. Nasdaq. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Nasdaq. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Nasdaq. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Nasdaq. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. You ever just like wake up in the morning, you tell yourself, you're like, today's the day. Can't stop, I won't stop, man. There's someone out there in the world that their entire existence on this planet is basically defined by that one saying that they can't stop and they won't stop. Just what I've heard. It's what I've heard. So we are doing it. We are live. It's what is it? Thursday. We're going to Hawaii tomorrow. Hawaii tomorrow. We had initial jobless claims this morning. The news came out. We got some more numbers coming out at 10 o'clock. Not very important looking. Right? They don't look very important. 10 o'clock numbers, not very important. But we'll see what happens here today. We're on the Only Prop Firms economic calendar. You can check it out for free every single day there at onlypropfirms.com. Find out what news is coming, what news is up. So February 13th really is the next big day of news. So we've got a few days with not that much news going on. If you guys want to learn more about all the latest and greatest prop firms and deals and all that, check out onlypropfirms.com. Also, if you sign up for the newsletter, you're automatically entered into getting free giveaways and just, you know, lots of fun stuff. So we'll send you the info on the latest deals and all of that fun stuff. All right. We are live. We are doing it. If you guys haven't hit that like button, let's go, baby. Bum. That beat at the beginning, it's catchy, man. It's catchy. I'm telling you, it's catchy. It's a catchy beat. Bum. Like kind of like that, you know, like bum. All right. Whew. I'm heading to Hawaii tomorrow, Friday. Pretty excited, actually. Nice. Looking forward to going to Hawaii. I'm going to be in Hawaii for about a week, a little over a week. So I won't be live streaming for a minute, but I'll be back. And the 80% deal with Apex right now going on. I think it's good until the 13th or so. Yeah. Apex deals. We had numbers come out here at 8:30 this morning. And we're kind of looking at this setup right now. That low down there at the 93s, we pushed up. Not that big of a reaction, really. Not that big of a move. It's funny, like it goes up 40, 30 points, and it's like not that big of a deal, but we'll see. So, right now, getting ready for market to open. Let's pull up some higher time frames here on the hourly chart. Look at the hourly chart. Yesterday, rallying to the moon. We bought the dip yesterday down there at the 30s. Remember this breakout level that we ended up getting long at? We were long down, what was it? No, that's Wednesday. Yeah, that was it. Wednesday, 10 o'clock. We bought the dip somewhere around here. Where was it? The 30s. 730s. Sorry, 730s was where we bought that dip at there yesterday, basically here in this level before that big push up there. Big old push up. Oh, let's go. All right, all right. So on the 5-minute chart, big breakout level there from the 30s all the way up there to the 66s for over 100 points, baby. Over 100 points there on the Nasdaq, and then kind of a similar setup pulling back, and right now really not going anywhere since we broke out yesterday. So pretty much in this range right now. If you look at the 15-minute chart, we got this range. We basically pulled back to this low here on the 15-minute chart into this kind of fair value gap. There's 82 pivot points, 782 pivot point to the downside. Looking to the upside here, the next pivot point's at 935. 935. So we'll see how she plays. 935 pivot point to the upside there. So right now, we're getting ready right below the VWAP right now. A little squeeze up there from the 16s to the 24s. VWAP there at the 32s. Kind of breaking out of this downward trend from the overnight high. Overnight high up there at the 66s. So go ahead and identify that overnight high there. 66s or so. 66, 60s. Overnight high up there. Currently we have this high right there at the 54s as well. So we will see what happens here today. We are live. We're doing it. It's happening every day, except for tomorrow and except for next week. I'm heading to Hawaii. Hawaii, Hawaii. Hawaii. All right, now looking at the book map here, liquidity-wise, what we got a liquidity block up there of 75 or so. So that would be kind of what we're thinking. Pushing up here. If we look at the dollar, take a look at the dollar here. What's the dollar doing? We need to figure out what the dollar is doing. Dollar right now going up here. Dollar pushing up in this trend from the overnight. Dollar showing some strength, pushing back up here right now. We will see kind of what happens here. The dollar, look at this breakout since 5 o'clock. So the dollar showing strength, dollar pushing back up here. We need that dollar sell, 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 not bell, bell, bell. Right? Sell, 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 not bell, bell, bell. I don't really know what that means, but it sounds good in my head at least. So we got a bunch of liquidity there at the 25s, 825s for now. Kind of stacked up 30 level there on the book map. And we're just kind of waiting. 75 liquidity, a bunch of liquidity there at the 59s. 59s, the ES above 5,000, holding above 5,000. Yesterday, the high on the ES up there to the 5,020s. 5,020s there on the ES. So well, let's see how this kind of plays out. The hourly chart right now on the Nasdaq kind of holding up here at a fair value gap at the 92s and pushing back up there to the VWAP currently. You can see kind of this setup here as well on the hourly chart, kind of holding up there at the 88, 90s. We got this kind of trend line here on the hourly chart for now. VWAP right there, pushing back up into this. We're pretty much like sandwiched between these two fair value gaps on the hourly chart. So the 27s and the 90s to the downside there. Some indecision. We had a bear flag kind of set up. We pushed back up. We had those numbers come out 8:30, so that might have been why we pushed back up there. But as of right now, the hourly chart kind of painting the picture here for this possible push. If we put in a low here and we get above, you know, the VWAP here, I wouldn't be surprised if we push up here to the high from yesterday. Like I said, right there, that high from yesterday up there, 74s, 75. So just being patient, waiting and watching. We got plenty of time till the market opens up. Market opens up here in about 30 minutes. So Patience, patience, patience. The dollar pushing up here as well for now. Dollar trending higher. The Nasdaq in trouble for now. Bum, 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 bum. That song, man, that intro song just gets me hyped up. Getting me hyped up here. The dollar DXY right now sitting there, pushing up here. And we will see kind of what happens here with the Nasdaq now. 819. 819 area here on the Nasdaq. I got bigger water bottles now. I won't run out so easily. DK trade. Day 2 of asking Patrick to sell me 3,000. Well, I'll see you on day 3 because you're going to just keep on asking. I get messages from people all the time. They're like, Patrick, can you send me money? I'm like, yeah, no problem. No problem. Quantum trading. Can you unblock a friend of mine? Probably not. Chad Cobra. Can you finance my lifestyle? Yeah, man. Sure. No problem. Yeah, no, I literally get DMs on Instagram for people that are like, hey, can you send me like $5,000? Yeah, man. No problem. Totally. That's what I do for a living. I just send people free money. Why, you know? Why, you know? Why? Why? I love cooking. On a serious note, after watching your stream for a while, still do not understand your strat. Mind explaining it a bit? I mean, there's a lot of videos on the channel that explain it. I mean, we buy momentum. I don't really know how else to... I don't know. DK trade, you're getting blocked or put in timeout because you're just being silly now. 24-hour timeout for DK. Hey, Patrick, can you ask Apex if they can do one-day funding? Yeah, let me just give him a call real quick. Hey, Apex, my guy in the chat, he wants that one-day funding. Can you get it? Can you get it? Thank you. Brian C, why did I put you in timeout when Tanya was here? I can only imagine. Jen the Gambler, why is this my last live stream? I'm going Hawaii tomorrow, and you know, I thought about like live streaming while I was in Hawaii, but then I also thought like, why? You know, why? So, fuck it. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna enjoy Hawaii instead of trying to live stream and trade every day. So, I will be making little videos, little fun videos of like what we're doing in Hawaii, but I'm not going to be trying to live stream every day. I think it's silly. It's just silly. Brian C, I don't know. It might have been another moderator that day. It might have been Tanya or something. I don't know, to be honest, why you got banned that day. That's really... I ban a lot of people, you know. Yes, I'm taking the girlfriend with me as well. The girlfriend taking Victoria to Oahu, back where I used to live at on the north shore of Oahu. So. Nasdaq holding up here. Like I said last year, you know, my goal for this year, 2024, is to, you know, enjoy life a little bit more, not so pressured to like live stream every single day. And, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So Right now, the market pushing up here. We got VWAP coming up. VWAP to the upside there. 830s VWAP right now. Kind of putting in this higher low for now before market open. Will this be the pump before the dump? Will this be a pump it to pump it? Patrick, do you prefer to be a trader or a comedian? Why not be both? Quantum trading. You keep spamming the same thing. I hope Tanya learned something from you. I hope she did too. The fuck? Am I going to fish in Hawaii? Probably not going to fish in Hawaii. I fish enough at home, so. Can you use the Apex code for more than one account? Oh yeah, baby. You could buy 20 accounts, 100 accounts with that code. PW, it's good for life. It's like a black Amex card. Got no limit, baby. Got no limit. Legionitis. How did it feel losing my first PA account, my first funded account? It definitely felt defeating. You know, you feel like you put a lot of work into getting funded and then you lose it. And it's like, fuck, you know, like that one terrible decision of revenge trading or forcing a trade or whatever it is, you know. So we'll see. If you guys haven't hit that like button, blow up the like button. We're doing a giveaway today. We get 500 likes here before the market opens. We'll drop a giveaway right away. 500 likes. We can do it. We got 1,000 people watching right now. Banana, FIFA banana. Right now on the book map, we were looking here earlier at this 75 level. There's about 59 contracts sitting there, which is currently the most on the book right now, sitting up there at the 75 level. So the Nasdaq right now kind of holding up here. The ES trying to push above the VWAP. If we get through the VWAP here, I think it's looking pretty good for a push to the upside. We just got to get this move at open. And we'll see how it happens, how it plays. Liquidity there at the 31, 30, 38s to the upside there. Kevin, new member, let's go. Upgrading. Upgrade, Kevin, upgrade. Kevin's upgrading. What am I trading today? We're trading the same thing we're always trading, the Nasdaq, baby. We always trade the same exact thing every single day, so. Becky Watkins, I'm brand new to your channel and brand new to trading. What is the magic number you're looking for? $1 million. 1 million. Have I ever traded the ES? Yes. I have. The program that I'm using right here is called Bookmap. There's a link down below in the discount in the description. If you want to learn more, Bookmap, it shows all the levels. You can kind of zoom out. It works on stocks. It works on crypto. It works on the futures market, obviously. So right now, the ES is above VWAP here. ES above the VWAP. So the ES trying to get this move going above the VWAP here. The Nasdaq right now holding up at the 20s. So kind of looking like it wants to grind higher here up through this level now. Mikey Penny with the idea of buying off the 782s for a long off the pivot point. Definitely not a terrible idea. Pivot point to the downside down there at the 782s currently. 782 pivot point to the downside there. I like it. That's a good plan. Good plan there, buddy. You got a good plan there, my friend. That's a nice little plan. Nice little plan for you for that. I wish you luck. I hope it works and something like that. All right. Woppity wop wop wappa. Wappa whoppers? All right, the Nasdaq just trying to kind of hold up here for now. At this level. At this level currently. Do I pay attention to Delta? No. Am I ignoring you because I'm asking about the competition? What competition? I don't give a fuck. Oh, God. People in the chat, like, literally just, sometimes, like, no, I don't really give a fuck. Whatever you're asking about, I don't really give a fuck. What happened with what? What happened with what? I love how people are like, I don't answer their question, and then they write in the chat, he's ignoring me. He's ignoring me, everybody. He's not answering my questions. I asked him if he's in love with the Nasdaq, and I also asked him if he loves Tanya, and he won't answer me. I don't understand. Why will he not answer me? I asked him clearly. I said, do you like Tanya? Do you love her? Is that your girlfriend? Why don't you answer me, Patrick? Answer me right now, Patrick. Please answer me. Please tell me what to do. Fucking A, man. No offense. Honestly, no offense. But me and Tanya, really, it's like, I don't want to say brother-sister dynamic, but it hasn't, like, there's no real, like, it's never been like that. It's only ever been totally professional YouTube. That's all it is. I know that there's some fucking losers out there that can't understand that idea, but that's all it is. I have a girlfriend. Like, I have a real girlfriend. Tanya is not my girlfriend. Going to Hawaii, I'm gonna escape all of this. You know, the funny part is, like, no one's holding a gun against my head, that's for sure. Like, no one's forcing me to live stream. So it's like, sometimes I just wonder, like, why do I do this? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Then I remember. Damn it. Never mind. New traders, do you recommend waiting for the first 15 minutes to start doing trades? Not a terrible idea. Definitely not a terrible idea. That first 15 minutes, wait for the first 15-minute opening range breakout or breakdown. Never a bad idea. If we can hit the 500 likes here, let's get 500 likes. We'll do a giveaway. Yeah, no, I'm making a lot of money right now, that's for sure. So I think honestly, maybe, like, people keep saying that what am I gonna do if ICT wins the Robbins Cup? Like, I already said, like, I'll delete my YouTube channel at this point. Like, if ICT wins the Robin Cup, like 100%, I'll delete my YouTube channel and I'll just quit trading, because like at that point my fucking mind is blown, and like I don't deserve to even talk about trading ever again, because yeah, no, I would like, I'll 100% just delete my YouTube channel at that point. No, I'm not lying. For real. 100%. If ICT wins the Robbins Club, I will 100% delete the fucking YouTube channel. This 100, you don't believe me, but I guarantee it. I fucking guarantee it. But I'm also like, the reason that I'm so confident that I'll delete it is because I'm also confident that he's not going to win, so. Can you go surfing after it rains? I think so. Why not? How's your boat holding up? Yeah, we just got the 200-hour service. We're always getting work done to it. I got a full crew taking care of it always, baby. The boat's holding up great. What if Trades by Matt wins? I saw that Trades by Matt is already down to... He had a big fall, big blow up or whatever. Now he's down like only up 30%. He was up like 100%. Now he's up 30%. Like, I don't know why everybody is so obsessed with the fucking Robbins Cup. It's like, it's literally, like I said, I posted on Twitter. I said that I'm gonna wait until December fucking 21st, open an account, make 10%, and then beat all the influencers who blew up this year. So I don't know. Like, is it really a challenge? If Nutty Bar wins the Robbins Cup, I'll get a sex change. Literally, I'll become a woman at that point. I don't know why it's a punishment, but like that's how like unimpossible it would be. Ugh. All right, we need a few more likes here. A few more likes. Get to 500 likes. We'll do the giveaway. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Let's go. Now, it's $500,000 bet now with ICT, so it's not 100,000 more. 500,000 plus, I'm going to delete my YouTube channel. Oh, yeah. He'll never pay it, though. That's the problem. Pat, are you going to surf Pipeline? Yeah, I'm going to paddle out fucking day one, baby. Fucking Billabong Pipe Pro, Patrick Wieland. He's up. Heat number one, Patrick Wieland versus Shane Dorian. Get ready. Here it goes. Oh, God. Patrick's dead. Not a good start. All right, all right. The Nasdaq going nowhere right now into open. Dude, it'll be harder to live trade as a woman. Yeah, right. I'll have fucking 5,000 people watching me right now if I was a hot blonde. Come on. If I was a hot blonde on YouTube, and they'd all be commenting like, "Oh, Queen, we love you. Queen." Oh, that's funny. I mean, no offense to Tanya, but Tanya definitely has some insane simps. I mean, there's some guys in Tanya's fucking live stream that are like on a whole nother level of simpleness. I told her she should get a fucking P.O. box and let people start sending her gifts to her P.O. box. I guarantee it'll fucking get some funny shit. What do I think about Humble Trader? I don't really think about her, to be honest. Like, I don't really sit around thinking about people. People think that I like think about this stuff a lot, but I really don't. When I'm not trading, I try to not think about trading, if that makes sense. I don't try to I'm not sitting here watching YouTube videos all day, and I try to trade in the morning, and then I just live my life, you know, go fishing. Like, this is a job, right? Like, this is literally just a fucking job. And I'm not trying to obsess my whole entire life over this shit. All right, Nasdaq, I think we're going to try to get this 30 push here. We got the VWAP there at the 30s now. 30s for the VWAP. 30s for the VWAP here. $8.30 to the upside. Dollar pulling back here. Ooh, buddy. The setup for the move here at open right now. Dollar, if the dollar starts selling, Nasdaq starts going, you fucking know what's gonna happen, boys. You fucking know it. We're gonna have to put on the glasses and we're gonna have to fucking get ready for the rocket ship to the moon. Okay? Okay. All right, all right. Or we just chop and go nowhere. We need 500 likes here for the giveaway, and then we'll do the giveaway, boys. Who wants the giveaway? We're gonna win, win, win. Win it, win it, win it. Win it, win it, win it. All right, giveaway link in the chat. Sign up now. We'll do the giveaway here for a 300,000. I'm just kidding. Oh, God. Dude. Oh, man. Rips was making fun of me with the dollar today. He's making fun of what? That I'm looking at the dollar? Huh. He really got me. Damn it. He really got me. Patrick looks at the dollar. Yeah, well, Rips be up in my fucking Instagram DMs. So he can act like he fucking is Mr. Funny talking shit on the internet all he wants, but he's in my DMs trying to be my best friend. So, you know, I'm not going to sit here hating, but it's kind of interesting why the fuck. Literally, he's in my, I can show you, he's in my DMs, literally messaging me. He said, crush it, buddy. Like, just responding to my stories. So, I mean, joke's on who? Joke's on who? I don't even need to talk shit. I'm just wondering why Rip's got to get that light fixed on his channel, man. Rip's got that blue light. What's up with that blue light? Got to get some like normal lights up in there. Why is it looking like a? It's looking like a real shitty strip club. Like just one like really terrible lighting. So it's weird. Giveaway link doesn't work. What does it mean it doesn't work? Website down looks like. Oh, God. Is the website really down? Did we crash the website? Did you fucking crash it? Did you crash it? It's just like really slow to load right now, I guess. The power of Patrick Wieland crashing websites. The problem is it's my own website. Fuck. Damn it. Joke's on me, boys. Joke's on me. All right, there's that push up to the 30s like we were thinking. Thinking. Fucking A. Crashing websites, man. Fucking A, boys. All right, I'm just gonna drop the code in the chat. Get ready. There's the code. It's only good for one person. Sometimes multiple people can use it, but there's the code in the chat. Go, 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 go. Who gets it? Who gets it? Who wins? If it doesn't work, that means somebody else probably already got it. So. I think multiple people ended up getting it. Multiple people ended up getting it there. That's funny. Dude, we crashed the website, bro. We crashed it. Crashed the fucking Only Prop Firms website. Y'all be crazy. Everybody trying to get them free accounts, man. Like fucking drug dealers. Drug dealers, man. All right, so the Nasdaq really going nowhere right now. We pushed up there to the 30 level. We're right back down. Looking here at the dollar right now. The dollar finding some support off the bottom of this channel. We needed the dollar to crack that channel there. You can see the Nasdaq now getting stuck there at the VWAP. So the bulls just can't get it through the VWAP for now. We get through the VWAP there. I think it's pretty much a straight shot up there, 50, 60 level. So yeah, the code that I post, guys, it's only for one account. It's only for one person. But sometimes it works for multiple people. It's not for every fucking, not for 1,000 of you. Relax, everybody. Oh, God, everybody's telling me. I get it. It didn't work for you. I apologize. Right now, the Nasdaq sitting here at the 20s currently. At the 20s. The code was for a $300,000 account. Somebody the other day made a bet with me. Somebody the other day made a fucking bet in the chat, if you remember. Where's he at? Some little asshole. Some little asshole here said that I could never pass a $300,000 Apex account. Well, I did it. I ended up passing it there. 327,000 actually. YOLO. I want that $10,000. Pay me the $10,000. Pay it to me right now. Pay me 200, 300, fucking $10,000. I want to get paid. Patrick, please do not quit YouTube if Michael wins. Honestly, like, if Michael wins, I would be okay to just delete my YouTube at that point. Because at that point, like, there's something wrong in the world, right? Like, that's literally what it comes down to. Like, there's, like, the world's just fucked up. Like, I should just quit, give up, go do something else. Because this ain't for me. Like, if I can't figure out that ICT is the biggest fucking clown ever, and, you know, stick to my word, I don't, you know, I just feel like it's time. It's time to retire. Time to give up. It's over. My career is over. Why continue on at that point? It's not that I don't like ICT. I just don't think it's possible. Nah, that's hating, bro. Nah, it's not hating. All right, the Nasdaq back to the VWAP here again. Back to the VWAP here. We've got a little under 4 minutes. 4 minutes till market open. I told you, Patrick. What'd you tell me? You said that you aim really high for your goals, and he is doing just the same. I don't know. Is he doing just the same? I think if I was like the idea, like I've said before, of like ICT winning the Robbins Cup, it would be basically like me saying that I'm gonna win the Miss America USA Universal fucking beauty pageant. Which truck do I like better, the Raptor or the F-250? Just really depends on what I need. You know, the F-250 can pull stuff, heavy stuff, big truck. The Raptor is fun to drive around fast. So. Right now, the ES pushing up here. The ES has the high yesterday, 5,020s. Right now, the Nasdaq chopping around here at the VWAP for now. We're stuck at the VWAP. We got to get above the VWAP here. We get above the VWAP, and we look for that push to the moon right there, my friends. So basically, the plan going into open, we got to get through the 30s, and then we rip right up here, 50 to the 60s for the bulls. If we can't get going, right? If we don't go straight up from here, well, look for this break to the downside and that retest of that 90 area pretty quickly. So I think you just kind of wait to see if the bulls are going to show up here for the open and go straight to the moon. You know, the bulls are here to party. And I've kind of, you know what I've been doing too lately? I've been looking a lot at like the 15-minute, the 15-minute candle before open. So this is obviously the first 15-minute opening candle. Well, this is the 9:15, well, fuck, it's not opening, but the 9:15 15-minute candle, kind of watching the range on that, right? So, you know, I'm thinking if we look at the range on that right now, obviously we're sitting at the top of that range. If we break through here, it looks pretty good to just go squeezing straight to the moon. So anything's possible here. We've got a little less than 1 minute now, 30 seconds. The market going straight up. It's going straight up right now. Dollar right at the bottom of that channel here. So let's see what happens. If the dollar starts to tank, the Nasdaq rips to the moon. The Nasdaq's actually red right now on the day, opening up a little bit in the red right now. So 35 already pushing there, right up there through the 30s now, right to the 40s. Oh my, 45s. Do we go straight to the 50s here is really the $1 million question now. I think it can. And go through the 50s hard. Got to break through 45s really hard there. Got denied right there at 50s for now. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 50s. So we break through 50s. This thing is primed and ready, I think. Just watching here. The ES got denied up at the highs. So the ES pulling back very quickly now. So trouble, trouble, trouble. Uh-oh. She's back down there from the 50s now. Got denied right up there at the 50s. Little pullback here into that 20 level again. Like we talked about earlier, this 20 level down there. All right, I'm going to get long here. See if we can get this pushed straight back up off of that 20 level there now. Beautiful. Basically seeing if we can get this to rip. I want a big trade here. We're either going to get stopped at 20s or we take this for a big rip to the highs like we were looking for there. So I like it. I like it a lot. Only risking 5 points for maybe 30 points or more, but let's see. We need that 20 area to bounce here strong. I could take profit right here 100%, but I'm trying to really play into this bigger move idea. it's either really going to pay out or we take a small loss. So let's see. Looking for that 40 push here. This is exactly the plan we kind of talked about, that 20 level there, that 15-minute opening range. Trouble here for now. And up. Still holding up there at the 20s. Still long. Still long. Can we get the push? This is part of trading sometimes. You got to hold on to a trade. Can't just take profit right away every time. If I did that every time, I'd never make any money. This is a solid trade, though. We're risking 5 points basically here for maybe 30, 40 points the upside, but stopped out for 5 right there. Probably going to get stopped out. I'm going to move the rest right here to 16. I can always re-add. If we start to push back above 30, I'll look to re-add there. Trying to get back above the 30s here. Not looking too hot right now. If we can hold this 20 area, start to rip, that's what I'm looking for. There's that push. Back to the 30s again. Let's see if we get back above 30. I'm going to re-add right there above that 30 push. Keep my stops tight right here below 20 again. See if we can get all the way through that 30s strong. I'm looking for this thing. We just got to go straight up here. I'll take the L. It's totally fine, but it is what it is. You can see here she wants to go. Just a bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 30s holding us down for now. So still sitting there. She wants that 30 break again here. Looks really good. Come on, we keep pushing nicely. Just push right through the 40s here next. Would be just all we really need to get this party going through the moon. There's that push back up there through the 30s now. This is exactly what we just talked about happening. We are long, we are strong. Looking for this all the way through the 50s now. I want to see this straight through the 50s there. Up there to the 40s again. She wants 50 breaks. She wants the 50 breaks here. She's going for the 50s, boys. You can see there on the book map right now, 50s to go, and then we got 55, 57s up there next. We are doing this live right now, just like we talked about. The 50 break coming up here. Put it on the board. Put them on the board. I'm taking a little bit of profit there at the 50s. I got filled right there at 50. What was that fill? Right there at 49.75 getting filled there. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out of it. Somebody said that NVIDIA saved me. Who the fuck? I don't get it. We're trading. That's traded. NVIDIA didn't save me. It's just fucking, we're trading, you idiot. The market's moving. Hey, oh my God. You got saved because the market went up. Oh, you suck, Patrick. You're the worst. You're the worst, Patrick. The market went up. You got saved. Oh, sorry. I didn't know. I didn't know. That's how it works. The ES trying to make a new high right now. I feel bad for anybody that's short from the 20s right now. Don't do that. Don't do that. Like I said, that 15, remember, guys, we just talked about this setup, right? That 15-minute, not the opening range, the 15-minute candle before the market opened. Look at that. We held it on the dot. On the dot. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. Just kidding, kidding. All right, the Nasdaq again up there to the 50s. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy, up there to the 50. Look at the ES going straight to the moon. Straight to the moon right now, boys and girls. Patrick Wieland in the house. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the place that you used to. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh. Nice little move there, my friends. Beautiful move up there to the 50s on the dot from the longs from the 30s down there. All right, let's see what happens here now. The ES just pulled all the way back down after that high, so having trouble getting through there. I think we just need some more power. More power. More power before power hour. When's the power hour? Nobody really knows. We had the guy that one day said, power hour coming up 11 o'clock. Get ready. It just changes every day. Power hour. So there was that move we were looking for off of the 20s all the way up there to the 53s. All right. We still got some more room to the upside. I think this 160's up there next. Consolidate here for a while, move to the 60s. Hey, I like the idea, right? I like the idea of it. You know? I like the idea of it, people. All right, let's see what happens here now. What's up next for this move? Just consolidating right here now. Maybe pull back. Got the VWAP there at the 31s. Everybody in the chat that said they were short down at the bottom. Market pulling back here now. Just trying to be patient. We had a nice little trade right there out of the open. No rush here. We don't need to go rush anything, right? That's the thing. I want y'all to remember one little secret. I'll teach you a secret here with trading. Don't go rushing nothing. Don't buy the fucking top, you know, after you just took profit. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Woo! Market right back down there to the 20s again. Just chopping people up here. Chopping people up. Chopping people up here. Back to the 20s again. I'm being patient. We get through this 20 level, it's going to be a fucking bloodbath to the downside probably. So keep an eye out. Testing 20s. Right through the 20s now. She's in trouble. The Nasdaq's pulling back here. Ooh, buddy. Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. I saw Rips bought at the top. He shorted the bottom and then bought at the top just now. The fact that he ever has anything to say about me sometimes, I wonder. I mean, he literally shorted at 20 and then he fucking bought at like 40. And he's going to sit there and tell you people that Patrick Wieland's a fucking moron. I rest my case. I rest my case. I rest it. Market moving down here. Look at this. Through the 20s. Like I said, bloodbath. It's a bloodbath, my friends. I don't know about a bloodbath, but it's going down. Let's see what happens up here next. The ES still got some support here at the 10 level. Got some buyers coming in there right now as well. We got the 15-minute opening range breakout setup here. Trying to possibly get this set up here on the 15-minute chart. If you look, 15-minute chart, the low of this 15-minute candle right now still down there. So we are still very much in the 15-minute opening range here. Look at that. We're right back up to the 20s now. Right back down to the 20s. My neck, my back, cracking. Cracking. So while we wait for this to kind of play out here, just kind of giving you guys a recap of why I thought this was a good long there at open. We basically were looking at this 20 level for this push up into this high from the London, right? So 4 o'clock high there, 50, as I was hoping for a little bit more out of it, maybe 60 area, but we did get a nice little push. We squeezed right up there at open. We pulled back. We took the longs there off of this 20 bounce, and look at that big old boner candle to the upside. So we were right there at the VWAP. We were holding this 20 level and still kind of holding it up right now, you know, we'll see how she plays. Right back to the VWAP now. VWAP there at the 31s. If we flip the VWAP here again, well, then we'd be looking for a nice little push up here one more time. So just keep an eye on that VWAP here. I'm always keeping an eye on the VWAP, kind of chopping around right now. This could be a nice little short. If we stay below VWAP, this would be a nice short down here to the 780s or so. So. 15-minute range now officially closed. That opening range. So we know where our 15-minute opening range is now. All right, testing VWAP here again. 15-minute range right there in the middle, right where we opened at. Still have not really gone anywhere. Well, let's see how this plays at the VWAP now. This is one of those trades where you could just jump in here, either long or short. 50-50 chance that it goes your direction. But I don't like the chances of that. So let's see what happens with this candle right now if we get denied at this VWAP level. I have noticed one thing, you know, it's very important, I think, sometimes to kind of wait for those little, wait for a trap. Wait for that trap. We talk about that a lot, you know, the trap. Once we see, like, the idea, like, let's think about like this. Like, if I'm trying to get short right here, let's say I'm trying to get short right here. It's almost like I want to see something that would have trapped me and stopped me out before getting short there. Sometimes it doesn't always work out beautifully like that, but it's like thinking about, like, okay, if I'm going to get short, what do I need to do? If I was going to get short right here and get stopped out, well, I'd get short probably like right here, and then I'd have my stop above VWAP, and then I'd probably get stopped out at that point, right? So kind of looking at it like, well, there's two options here. We can either jump in right now, trying to get that short early, and then get stopped out and then tell ourselves, well, we should have waited. Or we just go ham. The trap is real. Right now, stuck here, watching the ES below the VWAP. What's the dollar doing? Dollar bills. Dollar selling off right now. So the bulls, as long as the dollar starts selling, we're looking at the dollar going down here. We can get above this VWAP for the flip. For the flip on the VWAP, I think the Nasdaq's got legs. Just need to basically wait to see how this level plays out here. Hourly chart. Big old doji right now on the hourly chart here. All right, flipping the VWAP here, pushing back up now. Push it real good. Got that 40s up there next. So if we flip the V, like I said, trying to flip the VWAP here, get right up there to the 40s. The book map kind of clearing out there for a second. Came back, 40 liquidity. Showing a lot of strength right now, holding up here at the 30s. The ES having trouble at the VWAP. ES is having trouble right now at the VWAP. The dollar's still selling down here. So the dollar is still down. The ES, the Nasdaq, kind of consolidating for now at this VWAP level. Look at the dollar moving down there. We got some news at 10 o'clock. News at 10. 10 o'clock news. Right now, the ES stuck there at the VWAP for now. See if we get back through the 35s right there. 35 to get through and then go straight up to the 40s next. Trying to take that 35 liquidity there now. The move. The ES right now stuck below the VWAP. If the ES can get above 12s, ES above 12s, this thing's going to the fucking moon. So keep an eye on that 12 level for the ES. Right now, pushing their 40s. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Up there to the 40s now. Like I said, flipping the fucking VWAP there. Now we're looking for, we got to take out that high there at the 50s next. They don't want this thing to be stopped right here at the 40s again. The ES right there at the 12s. Need that ES push through 12s. Push through 12s. Got 45 there on the book map right now. Liquidity sitting there. See liquidity coming in there as well, so. She's trying to go. QQQ pushing up here. Everything looking like we're going to get a test of this high again. Just got to get through 40s here. She thinks she can. She thinks she can. She's trying. I hate when the market just gets stuck at a level like this and doesn't want to go. You know, you're just like, come on. Just do it already. You know what's going to happen. You know what's going to happen. You know what's going to happen. The ES getting very tight there at the 12s right now. ES getting very tight. The dollar still continuing to sell. Like I said earlier, the dollar showing weakness here. That's what we needed to see for the Nasdaq, the ES. So very much looking for this move. We need a straight up move and then try to push up there towards that 75s after that. So it's not really that far away, to be honest, you know? It's not that far away. We're only 30 points from 75, all-time highs. Or is that all-time highs? 875? Yeah, 875, all-time highs there. You know! The NQ just wants it. Take out this high on the NQ, go straight to the fucking moon. It's getting tighter and tighter right here. You know what happens. You know! You know! The 12s again on the ES trying to get through there. The Nasdaq right here at the 45s. Take out the 45s, my friends. Go straight to the moon. The Trade Smart said, you can see who is the king. Patrick Wieland. Yes, 100%. 100%. Bow down, peasants. Bow down. Bow down, peasants. Bow down. I'm kidding, but not really. Both the Nasdaq, the ES just stuck. Fuck. Fuck me. Fuck you. Fuck me. Fuck you. No, fuck you. No fook me. No fook you. No fook you. No fook me. No fook you. I gotta make myself laugh sometimes, boys. Gotta make myself laugh. You can't be too serious about this shit, man. You know, you gotta be serious. You gotta be super unserious sometimes. She wants it. She wants it. Hey, little girl, hey, little girl, market gonna go up. Sing a sad country song. Hey, little little something. Little flower, little daisy. Hey, little daisy. The ES going through the 12s now. The Nasdaq trying to push. Let's go through the fucking 50s there, boys. Tradertainment, the #1 Tradertainment on YouTube. We're doing this live every fucking day, boys. If I told you to buy at 30, take profit at 50, buy at 20, take profit at 40, would you not love me? Would you not love me? If I got you in at 40 and got you out at 50, would you not love me? You know? Would you not love me? If anyone's watched Wolf of Wall Street, that's what that's a reference to. If I told you to buy at 20 and you sold at 50, would you not love me? Plum said he made $800 on that trade earlier. Let's fucking go. Let's do it. Do it, do it, do it. Market getting very fucking annoyingly tight right here. Doing some stupid chop. Just not wanting to go through the 40s for now. Now it's going to be a pain in the ass and just like chop around here. You know, you're like, can it just go? Can it just go straight up? You know, just do it already. Just wants to chop around here. Just wants to chop around. Just chop around. Pain in the ass. I think the Nasdaq really wants to break this high. It's just going to be, you know, doing some stupid stuff until then, I guess. I don't know. Back up there to the 40s. You know what I'm really lately, I don't know about lately, but it's been a while since I've flown, and I booked some plane tickets to Hawaii. And literally like a few years ago, I was paying like $3,000 or $4,000 for like full on, you know, first class, like really nice seats. Now those same tickets are literally $8,000. Not sure how that goes. They've doubled in value, these prices of these tickets now. How did that work? The ES back to the 12s. The Nasdaq getting very tight here, boys. I think we just got to go. We just got to go. Don't tell people I told you so, but I think it's got to go. It's going. I think it's going. Up there through the highs now. It's going. It's going. Oh my God. It's going, boys. Oh no. I shouldn't have clapped. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No clapping. The market makers are watching. They hear me clap and they send it lower. Wow. Assholes. Assholes. Literally, what a joke. I apologize for my issues here with you guys. It was all my fault, actually. I did it on purpose. I did it on purpose, and I'm not apologizing because I don't really care. We need to get this push to the 60s. I'm looking for a push up there to the 60s. Fuck it. 55s. Gotta go. Give me that push to the 60s or fucking get out of here. Or fucking just get out of here already. I am long, by the way, if anyone's wondering. Like I said, we were looking for that push above the VWAP there. For this push above the highs. Can you take me higher to a place with golden things? Is it gonna work? It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working, boys. Need this push straight to the 60s here. Don't chop it. Just take it straight up. Oh. Come on. Don't do it. I know. Every time I start clapping. The market makers, man, they fucked me. No more clapping. I'm sorry. I'm gonna tell you people I'm doing the opposite. I'm actually I'm short right now. Yeah, I'm short. I'm fucking short. I'm real fucking short. Oh, I'm real fucking short, boys. I'm real fucking short right now. That's right. I'm real fucking short. It's a big short, boys. I'm real fucking short. My stop loss is at 58, by the way. 58. My stop loss is at 58. Just letting you know. My stop loss is at 58. My stop loss is at 58. Just, you know, don't go to 58, please. Please don't go there, market makers. Whatever you do, don't take it to 58. Please don't. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't go to 58s. Please. Please don't do it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, baby. Please don't go there. Please. Please don't do it. Please, please, please. Please don't. Is it working? I think it's working. Oh, 55s. 58s. Oh, you son of a bitch. We got to get through this 50 area. Back to the 52s there again. If I take profit right now, you know it's going to go straight up. So I'm just fucked. It's fucked. Absolutely fucked. No. No. Buyers. Need those buyers. Come in here. Watching the book map right now. I'm going to put a stop right here at the 45, 40, right below this, just in case I get stopped out. Still lock in like $5,000, but I wanted more first. I wanted more. Take me more. The ES just getting denied up there. The Nasdaq also sitting here trying to push through. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Yee! Hey! I laugh. I like to laugh about it, you know? Just like to laugh about it sometimes. Fuck this place! Fuck it all! I'm out of here! I'm fucking over it! Oh, man. Up there to the 63s. We locked in profit. I don't give a fuck. Hey. 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 Put your big boy panties on and fucking get to work, boys. Get to fucking work. You want to make money? Get to fucking work. Wake up in the morning, do fucking some pre-workout, start working out, get on the computer, start fucking trading, do the work. All right, do the fucking work, people. Do the fucking work, everybody. You gotta get it in. You gotta get it fucking in, boys. Get it fucking in real good right now. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, I could just make fucking videos for days on all this content. On all this fucking content, boys. Oh, God, it hurts. How can one man be so sexy? Be so damn sexy? I wonder myself sometimes. I say, Patrick, you can't be so good at this game. Can't be so good at this game. Look at that push, baby. Right off the lows, we flipped the VWAP. Like we said, we wanted to get back above the VWAP. We got back above the VWAP. This was all talked about before the move even happened. I know people are gonna be like, but Patrick, you never tell us what to do. You never tell us what's gonna actually happen. You just yell and you scream. And it upsets me because I have small children, and my small children listen to your live stream every day. And you know, whenever you curse, it really upsets my small children. Why are you cursing on YouTube? Because my small children need to watch your YouTube stream. Oh, it's fucking hilarious. If you guys have already hit that like button, hit the like button. We'll do another giveaway here at 1,000. Do another giveaway at 1,000. All right, another giveaway at 1,000 here. But Patrick, you never tell us what you do. You never tell us what you do. I'm actually such a big motherfucking badass. I'm #1 day trader on YouTube. There's a giveaway in the chat. Code go. Who's gonna win it? Apex $300,000 account. Look at that. I give it out before I even get the likes. I'm that nice. I'm that nice. I'm that nice to you guys. All right. Hit the code in the chat for the giveaway. Man, we fucking killed it. Look at it. Now it's pulling back. Can't make this shit up, man. Can't make it up, boys. Fucking #1 day trader on YouTube for a reason. For a reason, boys. For a reason. Yay. All right, we'll do the giveaway here. 1,000 likes. Where we at? We're at 802. Get to 1,000. We do the giveaway. It's free to like, by the way. I don't know why the fuck when I got 1,000 likes here. Bam, 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 bam. All right, giveaway time. Next giveaway time. What should we do? Winners win, losers lose. All right. I'm posting a picture. I'm posting a post on Twitter. If you go to Twitter and you leave a comment, well, do it is. Link in the chat. If you're on Twitter, hit me up. Let's blow it up. Comment below if you made money today live on YouTube. Let me know in the chat. Or in the thingamajiggy. Let me know in the thingamajiggy. Who made money today? Who made money? Who made money? Who made money today? Who made money? We're doing it live on the fucking YouTube. Who made the money? Who made the money? Who made it? Who made it? We did. We did. I make myself laugh more than anything. I don't know if it's a bad thing or a good thing, but I feel like if you can't make yourself laugh, who can? You know, life is too fucking short. I might just die. I might just die tomorrow. I might just wake up in the morning and be dead. And what? And what? What did I fucking do? You know what? What did I fucking do? Pulling back to the VWAP here now. We've gotten two really good setups here so far today. This VWAP bouncies is looking interesting here. I don't know. Might be playing with fire, but see if that VWAP's going to find support here. Problem right now is we're just not really going anywhere. We're at the all-time high. We're at the all-time high. VWAP bouncing here. All right, I'm just kind of waiting to see. I don't know, it's really hard to just buy, you know, just to get long, obviously, like right off that. But look at that, nice little 10-point right off the VWAP there. We need some structure to get built out here. Need some structure, more structure, more structure, more time, more time. I mean, technically, this is kind of the fucking setup here. So I'm not sure if that was just, I don't know. I'm not sure if that was enough. Was that enough? Was that enough? I don't know. Bulls are still stepping in there. Still stepping in, trying to push. Dollar also pushing back up, so a little bit of a mixed signal right now. DXY pushing back up. And the Nasdaq sitting right here, 104. JR, will you please spam the chat one more time? Ask your question one more time. I guarantee I'll answer it. I will guarantee I'll answer your fucking question if you ask it one more time. Please, one more. Just one more time. One more time. Put it in there. One more time. One more time. Come on. Come on, JR. Type it one more time, please. 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 Oh. Banned. Oh, that was fucking hilarious. I laughed about that one. That was a good one. That was sometimes like, I got myself there. I got myself there. I made myself laugh. I made myself laugh at that one, boys. Oh, man. Fucking hilarious. I'm fucking hilarious sometimes. I'm fucking hilarious. Oh, man. Wow. Wowzers. I heard that Trades by Matt is already moving down the leaderboard of the Robbins Cup. Dude, I think it's like, it's just a lot of unneeded pressure, and you're also paying an insane amount of commissions. Like, the whole Robbins Cup thing, I think, is a major scam, to be honest. The more I've looked into it, I actually talked to them. They called me, the guys from Robbins Cup, and I talked to them for a while. And the more that they talked about it to me, I was like, wait, you're making money wait, you know, now it all makes a lot more sense. Basically, he's not in third. They haven't updated the results. He said he was down 30. He said he was only up 30%, is what he said yesterday on Twitter. So that would put him off the leaderboard at that point, I think. So, but honestly, the thing about the Robbins Cup is that they charge you like fucking $18 in commissions. Yeah, no, it's just not a, like, for what? To win a trophy? I don't know. It just, the way that I talked to him about it, it just sounds like they're making a lot more money off of the competition than the actual traders are making money. So they've got deals with all the clearing firms as well. It's just, it's not what everyone thinks. And it's just like, now, you know, we're giving them all this love. Look at the Nasdaq, back to the highs right now. There's the breakout. Ugh. When momentum is there, you can take these breakouts. Look at that, right back up there through the 44s. I did not take this trade, by the way. There's the push up there to the 60s now. Should I have taken it? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I think after getting two really good trades in the morning, it's kind of like, are you really going to be super, you know, excited to take another one? Wasn't a bad one, obviously, now in hindsight. Up there to the 60s again. It could have went the other way. I agree. It could always go the other way. You're right about that, my friends. Dual tails, tail bars, easy to trade. Wow. So easy. Todd, you must be a millionaire. Todd, how rich are you? I mean, the entry would have been basically breaking above this previous high on this candle. We drew our yellow line on there. Look at that, from the 45s right up there to the 60s now. Na 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 na, hey hey hey, goodbye. I got a lot of stuff to do before Hawaii, actually. So I've got what do I gotta do? I gotta feed the bait. I gotta wash all my trucks. They just been sitting there. They're all like covered in dust and dirt and stuff. So I got a lot of stuff to do before Hawaii. I'm gonna be gone for a little, like 10 days. Steven, yeah, I'll be at Turtle Bay. I got one of the villas at Turtle Bay. So looking forward to it. It'll be fun. Get back to Hawaii for a week, see the old friends, get back into it, you know. So right now the Nasdaq trying to push up here. I still think we got room to 75s or so, even 80s here. Nasdaq right now still pushing. She's still pushing. Yeah, this is kind of what I was a little worried about. Right back down there now, so. I mean, I think there's a great rule, right? You can have a great rule. There's a great rule that you can imply on yourself. Just imply this on yourself every time you're looking to take a trade. This is something to think about. I think it'll save you a lot of heartache, a lot of time, a lot of effort. This one very simple rule. I know, I don't want to make it too simple, but there is a very simple rule here. If you identify, let's say you have a setup. You look at the chart. This is the 2-minute chart. You're looking at it earlier. You're like, okay, you know, if this breaks above 45, it could be a long to the highs. Look at that thing dumping right now. But if you identify that there was a setup and you did not take the setup, right? You didn't take it. You didn't get long right here. And then the market moves all the way up to here. Like, are you really going to get long up here when you wouldn't get long down there? Think about that, right? Just like ask yourself that question. When you're looking at a setup and you don't take the setup and you wait, like, you know, this is what, fucking 10 minutes later. 10 minutes later, we're at the high of day, and now you convince yourself to take a trade, to take the FOMO trade. Like, if you can't see the issue here, well, you've got a problem, right? Because now this is just nothing but FOMO. You're FOMOing into the top. And don't get me wrong. I 100%, I had the same thing. I looked at it, I was like, fuck, like, is this thing just gonna push straight through the highs now? But I'm also trying to force myself. I'm like, well, if I don't take this setup, like, this was obviously the much better setup, the much safer, better entry. Off of the VWAP bounce, like, do I really want to get high all the way up here? Get high. Do I really want to get long all the way up here at the highs? No. So, you know, now that that's happened, I'm thinking that there's no reason to get long up here. I need to wait for another good setup. This is nothing more than a FOMO entry, a FOMO trade, right? We want to avoid the FOMO trades. If we're not going to get long at our actual setup, our actual entry, well, there's no fucking reason to get long at the top. Somebody just asked me, do I think this is a short setup now? Well, let's look at the bigger time frames. 15-minute chart. I wouldn't say it's a short setup just yet. I would basically be waiting to see us break, you know, the 15-minute opening range, to be honest. I think that's a good way to kind of avoid trouble here at this point. Like, is it 30 points higher? Yeah, it is. You know, it definitely is. But, like, do I really want to get short? We're pretty much right in the middle of this opening range here. You know, just chopping around here. I mean, we're right there, the VWAP. So, I don't think there's a reason to get short until we break this 15-minute opening range. Again, another very simple idea. Like, are you going to get short right here in the middle of the 15-minute opening range? Just because the market's pulling back, don't mean you got to get short. You know? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, as of right now, I'm taking no trades on this. I will be patient. I will wait. I might just walk away, actually. So, that's my biggest thing. Identifying where we are. Are we inside the 15-minute opening range? Are we, you know, did we just make a big move? Think about that. Like, every time we make a big move, there's going to be a level, an area of consolidation. That's how trading goes. We all know, right? We all know this. Well, maybe we all don't know this, but very simple. The market moves in waves. You know, no matter if it's moving up, no matter if it's moving down. If it's moving down, it's making waves. It's moving in waves. It might not always be super easy to see it or to spot the waves, but we know that at some point the market's going to pull back. At some point, the market's going to kind of retest, and that's where I'm looking to get long, or I'm looking to get short on those areas of retest. I mean, this morning, the waves, a little deeper wave there, the waves, you know, it's not very sexy, but if you go to the bigger time frames, 15-minute chart here, we look at the 15-minute chart, we're kind of just Still trending higher here. The trend is still your friend. 15-minute chart, even though we sold down here, really no reason to do anything until we really kind of break that trend and then move lower, right? We're moving lower through there. Right now, we're just sitting there. Could you get short here? You could. Will this go lower? It could, but as of right now, there's still really, you know, the VWAP's there. This overall trend's there. We haven't really dumped here yet. The ES is still holding up. The dollar's kind of pulling back here as well. Dollar's pulling back. ES pulling back. Interesting. Interesting. All right, now the QQQ is sitting on the VWAP there as well. So just be patient, my friends. Wait for the right setups. Be like water. Trade like water. Be in, be out. Make the money. Make the money. Honey, honey, money. So there it is, giving you guys a little breakdown on what you can do to avoid, you know, trying to take bad trades, and see how this kind of goes. Right now, we're still trending higher. So if you did get short right here, well, what happens if this rips back to the highs? Where's your stop at here? Like, that's the thing, is like, where's your stop on this short? The high of day at this point? The 50s? I don't like it. I'm getting ready to move to Hawaii. Well, not move, getting ready to go to Hawaii. So I'm going to sign out right there, and I got things to do. I will talk to you guys later. We got a giveaway. Don't worry, we'll do the giveaway. We're almost to 1,000, but we'll do it either way. Anyway, we'll do it. All right? Don't you worry, my friends. We're going to do it here. Doing it good. Doing it good. All right, looking for a winner here on Twitter right now for the giveaway. The winner is Johnny Walker's. We all gonna make it. Johnny Walker's. There he is, Johnny Walker's. Got a little doggy dog. Little doggy dog. Johnny Walker's, congratulations to winning. I've never met this guy before in my entire life. Someone's gonna comment and be like, that's probably Patrick's fake account. That's Patrick's fake account. I bet it's his fake account. It's not. So there it is. The Nasdaq sitting there, the VWAP. I'm getting out of here. I got things to do. I gotta get ready. I gotta get ready for 20, not for 2020, but something. Look at the market. Okay, now we're breaking the downside. Still just, dollars pushing back up. This could be trouble here. Trouble. Patience, my friends. Patience. Wait for those key levels. I'd really just at this point get below, you know, let's get below that like 800. Even then, it's like you got that pivot point. I don't know. I don't love it. I'm going to stay out of it. I'm going to go to Hawaii. I'm going to enjoy my life. I'm going to have a great time. I'll see you guys whenever I see you. I'm gonna be doing like some daily vlogs as well, so tune in every day. I try to post up something on the stream or on the channel for you guys to kind of see what I'm up to while I'm out there in Hawaii. And yeah, thanks for your love, your support. As always, it's great to be here. I know sometimes I talk shit and say that I hate you guys, but I really do love you. And I do thank you guys for tuning in, supporting the stream, supporting the channel, and all that fun stuff. It's me and you versus the world. Think about that. It's you and me, baby, versus the fucking world, baby. I will see you guys later on. Let's actually leave it out with a little stream song here. Are you ready for it? I'll put the intro back up, get this song going. Dude.
Oh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. Eat Nasdaq. Oof. Wilder. There's the pullback we were looking for. Nasdaq. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. 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 You gotta reach out, like, button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Hit that blow it up. Blow it up. Yeah, straight down. Not today, buddy. Not today. Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. Trap. Nasdaq. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. Nasdaq. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. 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 Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. Nasdaq. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. Nasdaq. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Nasdaq. Can't stop, won't stop, they said.